Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Lancewood Meadows offers breathtaking views of the ocean and the environs of Exchange, Ocho Rios, St. Anne. 192 contemporary 2 and 3 bedroom houses will be complemented by a gym, swimming pool, well manicured green spaces, and kids recreational area in a 24 hours secured community. This two-bed, two-bath, single-story house is approximately 1,100 square feet. 3 minutes from the Sandals Golf Course in Upton. 5 minutes from White River and the beach. Shopping malls, restaurant, and all important amenities in Ocho Rios are less than 10 minutes away. Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Margaritaville, Chukka Cove Adventure Park, and more attractions are within 12 minutes. Kingston and Montego Bay, with international airports, are just an hour away. Fleming International Airport is 15 minutes drive. Phase 1 sold out. Phase 2 now selling. Few units left. Delivery March 2025. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Price for this house is Jamaican 31 million or US $201.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.